making really easy banana protein biscuits today. So of course in this one I'm going to be using our banana protein. However, you can also use the vegan vanilla in this one. I'm going to be using 2 ripe bananas, which I've got to mash. I've got a little bit of rice malt syrup here that can also be substituted for maple syrup. I've got 125 grams of unsalted butter, and I've got a 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. Now it's quite simple to make. First, what I'm going to do is cream my butter and my rice malt syrup in a large bowl using an electric mixer. I'm then going to mash my bananas on my board, and then I'm going to add everything into my flour and protein mixture. I'm going to fold it together until it's really nice and combined. I want my dough to be quite smooth. I'm then going to use a tablespoon amount of mixture. I'm going to roll it up, pop it onto my lined tray. I'm going to press them down and make sure that I leave enough room in between each biscuit because they are going to grow a little bit as they cook. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven. So I've been preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'll cook my biscuits for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and golden on top.